Hi friends. As a developer, if you are going to develop a new web application or mobile application, definitely you will get a recommends from clients. Then, what will you do? Are you going to develop immediately? No, right? We have to plan your design. So for that, there is a lot of user interface design tools here. One of the most famous UI design tool is Falsamic. Here, we are going to learn how to use Falsamic today. Let's see how to register Falsamic. Just click on Falsamic. You will get the link first. Just click on that. It will navigate to the home page like this. If you are new, just click on login button. There is an option like how to falsamic.upload. Just click on it. It will navigate to another page. If you are new to this, you can give your mail ID and start your trial. This is 30 days you can use freely, and if you need to use more than 30 days, you have to pay $9 per month. Okay, let's start how to design using this. After you have registered, you will get a page like this. Here, this is the button for list view and this is the button for grid view. So you can see the project in list view now, and I'm going to click on this. Now you can see the view of grid. Okay, and I'm going to create a new project now, so just click on this button. It's loading. There is an awesome codes also displayed here. Now we are on our new wireframe. Wireframe means we are designing one web page, right? That design is called as a wireframe. It contains saves and images, everything. So it's a one of the skeleton of your website. Okay, here you can see the buttons like UI controls, icons, images, templates. So here's the already inbuilt templates are there, you can use that also. And diagrams, there's a flow diagrams. And if you need to design for mobile, you can use this. And tutorials, web, everything is there. Now I'm going to create a simple web browser. So I'm going to click on this browser window and tracking and dropping here, and you can give the URL. So I'm just giving my sample name like tech constructions. You can take this as a construction work and also your IT company website. Just we are using the common simple website. Just click on outside, it will take automatically. For this web page, you can give the size, height and width here. So I'm going to give a size for PC size. So 1920 1080 resolution. So it's looking like this. This is so big, right? It should be fit in the screen. So you can use this button. Zoom to width, otherwise zoom to fit. So it's fit into your screen. Now you can design your website. Now I'm going to put a button here. So just like this, I just dragged and dropped here, and I'm going to give a name for this button. Just comb, and you can maximize this size and you can track, and you have to change the font size. Mean you can use this options. You can change it as a bold one, italic, underline, and you can change the font size using this one. And also if you need to add icons for this button, you can use this option. Just click on this. It's the home, right? So I'm just searching home I can see this icon. Just click on it and click select button. You can see that icon here. If you want to change the size of that icon, here you can use the size. This text is so small, right? I'm going to increase it again so bad that it's guide ink. Okay, so I just dragged and now you can see it clearly. If you want to give a color for this button, you can. Using this option, you can give the color. So I just given like this. Okay, now its button is ready. So I'm going to create two more buttons and just copying and pasting here. Now I have created three more buttons. I'm going to change the name for those buttons. Services. Now I'm going to add a logo for this company. So for this I can put image icon here and you can give label here, take construction logo, so you can drag it and you can give the company name here. So I'm going to give a text for this, so text label or big title. So it should be a big title, so I'm giving a big title here. So you can give it. And I'm going to give a subtext and just giving some intro for this company. So welcome to all constructions world, like this. And you can give the descriptions or paragraph here under this text. So I'm going to give this paragraph here. Yeah, you can give a random text for now. I'm going to change the font size for this one, so just I'm giving 24, 28. Okay, now you can see, and right side I'm going to give a one image. So I'm going to give one image here. Where's that image? Image common. So you can find that image. I'm going to resize this image. You can give the height and width here. As much you need, you can mention the height and width, and the position also you can mention. And I'm going to give a one more button here, and like let's start it. Let's start button. I want to change the icon for this because all are having a home icon, right? So let's start let's give a simple shall we remove this one? So I just remove that icon here, and first one is a home, right? So I'm going to give a home text here, and second one is services. So here we can change this services. So it's a design, so I'll give this icon and contact. Let's edit the label first, then I'm going to change the icon. So call. um so okay, I just given like this. So now our home page is ready, but it should not be aligned, right? So it should be aligned, properly aligned. So I'm going to give this. I'm going to align this one. Just shift and press this one, and press this title and paragraph and this button. I'm going to align all this to left side. So you can use this option align left. So now you can see, right, it's all aligned at left side. Then right side, I'm going to align this button and those image. In right side there is option like align right, so you can use this one. Now you can see, and I'm going to group these three buttons and vertically space out. The space should be it's the same, right? So I'm using this one, horizontal space out and vertical space out. So now it's equally aligned, right? So you can track, and here also you can track, here also you can track. Then I'm going to align horizontally because it's not looks well aligned one, right? So just click on this shift and click on those components, then you can click align middle. So now it looks good, right? It's aligned horizontally and in a straight line. Okay, and but it looks different, so just align this again, right side. Okay, now homepage gets completed. You can change the wireframe name here. Just click on rename and do this. So like this we can design services and contact pages also. This is the contact page design and this is the service page design. Now I'm going to link the URLs here. Facebook means you can give the web address here, and inside that web page you can give. For home you can link home page, and services you can link services, and contact you can link contact page. So like this you can link all other three. Now we have designed the three pages, and now we can share this to our client and present a demo. How to share it means just in top right you can see the share button. Just click on it. There is you can invite the people and they can edit this design. So you can give them name here and share it, invite them. Otherwise just click on this and you can get the project link and paste it here. It's visible to all so they can see your design. So now it's loading, it's our design. So now you can present your design with the click, and you can see these are the images you can explain, and this is the button. And if you need to navigate to other page, you can click alt and click on this service pages scheme and click on contact pages scheme. So we can move like this, so you can give a wonderful presentation to your client, and if need, as per the client suggestion, you can change your design and start your development. This video is also available in Tamil language. If you need, just refer the link in description. If you are a new user, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.